Okay. Hey, this is Mark Rollins here from MobileWhack, live at CTI, well, at least before it starts. And I'm here with Chance Arrington with the Nokia N8 phone. So let's see, why don't you tell me about the phone here, Chance?
All right, Mark. So the Nokia N8 is our brand new Symbian 3 device that was just announced, and it has started shipping as of last week out to consumers and people that have pre-ordered. And we've done a lot of things new in this operating system to really increase the overall consumer experience. The first one being that consumers now have multiple home screens that they can customize to have whatever content they'd like on them.
3 of them, I'm told, is that
yes,
correct?
3 home screens.
Okay.
We've also simplified menus to where things are just one click instead of multiple, double clicking. We also introduced a new feature with press and hold. So, clicking or pressing and hold acts kind of like a right click does on your PC, and oftentimes brings up different menus or contextual edits or whatever it may be.
Cool.
Our home screens are a lot easier to manage now. You can just drag and drop, and they automatically reorder. Adding a new widget is as simple as clicking the plus sign and then selecting whatever widget you'd like to add into there. And then we've also added this new link inside of the widget where you can go right to OV Store and get more applications that have widget support.
Oh, terrific.
Some of our other functionality is the new visual multitasking. So instead of just seeing icons here, you see the actual application and a little snapshot of what's going on inside the app. So to make it a little easier for consumers to navigate, and also it's more fun, to be quite honest. New music player experience as well. So part of Symbian 3 and what we've done on N8, we can support up to 60 frames a second in scrolling. So album art just flies on this product, and it's very smooth, very great render. Whether it's contact lists, music, album art here, a Twitter feed, a Facebook feed, whatever it may be, it does an extremely good job. And as a developer, you can bring in features of that as well. Here's my favorite buddy in the world, Gravity, and his application. And he did an automatic. He already did a great job of scrolling, but on the N8, it's even better. I mean, just
Oh, that's Gravity.
the momentum of
very
it.
nice. Yeah.
Very beautiful app. We also introduced OV Store 2.0 on this product. So it's a complete UI change from a previous version of OV Store, and we've made things so much simpler on this version of OV Store. Right when the application opens, it goes right to recommended applications, and you can see apps that would be wonderful for your device and discover new things. And you see I'm using GPRS, so it's a little not exactly zippy. But you can see here the complete redesign of how things work inside of OV Store. Clicking categories, takes you to all your different app categories, and you can very easily and very quickly navigate to different sections and download applications. And I was showing them earlier, we've added new features from downloading multiple applications all at the same time. It automatically queues the applications. You can go and browse and download other things while applications are downloading. So it really gives a great experience for the overall store. And we're waiting on a little internet signal here, but you get the point.
Okay. Should we talk about the photo and video now?
Absolutely. So we have a 12 megapixel Carl's Zeiss lens.
Can you turn to the back so we can see it? The
Sure.
lens? Yeah, that is a nice puppy.
Yeah. 12 megapixel Carl's Zeiss lens with xenon flash. It's absolutely the best camera phone. And a matter of fact, it's actually the best camera I've ever owned. It's really phenomenal. It takes great pictures. It also shoots 720p HD video. Does a phenomenal job. And we've also included very good video and photo editing applications.
Oh, we definitely got to see that.
Yeah. So I'll give a quick example. Let me find a photo that's appropriate.
Do you want me to point the camera away?
No, you're okay.
Okay, great.
I don't think it's that bad. Let's see here. So here's a great picture I took from my hotel room of the San Francisco skyline. Took this with the phone, and I can see right here, I can just options, edit. You know, if I was actually taking a picture with the camera, as soon as I take a picture, I can click a little pencil icon and it'll automatically go into edit mode. Real quick access, phenomenal feature. But you can see all the different features that I have inside the camera editor. I can crop it, resize it. That's kind of just generic things, but I can also add different filters, different effects, remove red eye, add animations. I mean, just tons and tons of things that you can do inside of the camera editor alone. And then we've done something similar with video as well. I'll take you to that real quick. I've set up my phone to be how I like it, so it's not exactly like this out of the box, but here's video editor. And you can see I can easily make a slideshow or create a movie for my videos, and you know, we can add music or pictures or text overlays or whatever it may be. You can see all the different options here.
Yeah.
Add transitions between different segments of, you know, a picture or another video clip or whatever it may be. Overlay music on top of all of it. Add text, all sorts of different things. So it's really a phenomenal experience, and you know, really adds to the depth of the media experience of N-Series.
Okay. Okay. And this phone is. Oh, is there anything else you want to say about the phone that we haven't covered already?
I would say one more thing, and that's you know, we just released our latest version of Ovi Maps. SR6 is on beta labs right now, and you know, it really brings the most phenomenal experience of maps yet to date onto N8. You know, it incorporates all the multi-touch, pinch and zoom, and tons of other features. The search is greatly improved. We added social check-in support for Facebook and Twitter, so you're able to check in to your locations and automatically post to both of those sites without separate applications. Really, really a great job. So, you know, that's pretty much it.
Okay. And this camera is already out. When was it? When was the release date?
Well, we started shipping last week.
Shipping last
and you know, they're already arriving in consumers' hands, selling all over the world already. So, really looking forward to all the momentum behind it.
Who's the major carrier for it? Is it T-Mobile? Is it
here in the U.S.?
Yeah, United States.
We haven't announced any carrier agreements right now with it.
Okay.
But you know, expect more things to come from us in the future.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time, Chance.
Not a problem, Mark.